If you're looking for a show-stopping cake for your next special occasion, then this special unicorn drip cake is the recipe for you. It may be small in size, but it's bursting with flavour, using simple ingredients from your kitchen like eggs, flour, butter, sugar and cream, and a little bit of food colouring. So, let's get started. To start up, we need some butter, 170 grams, with the same amount of caster sugar. Mix that together in a mixing bowl with a spatula. Whisk it up with an electric whisk if you have one to save time. You can then whisk in 3 eggs and 170 grams of flour, a little bit at a time. Making sure the flour doesn't go everywhere. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to that. And some purple food dye, or whichever colour you prefer. Now our mixture is ready, we can put it in our baking tin, which we're just going to lightly grease with butter first. A little bit of flour too, to stop the cake from sticking to the bottom and the sides. Spoon in your cake mixture. And you can do this several times. Put the remaining mixture into a separate cake tin. Bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Right, now they're all ready, we can get our buttercream frosting. Add some yellow food dye, or again, whichever colour you prefer. We love the purple and yellow combination. Stick it in a piping bag, ready to decorate. We're going to slice the top off our first round cake. And pipe on our yellow buttercream icing. Layer upon layer, using our 3 cakes. Now we put that to chill, and then cover the entire outside in our yellow buttercream. Chill again. Add more buttercream. And you can just repeat this process depending on how much buttercream you would like to add. Now we've got some edible glitter, which we're going to sprinkle around the outside, on the bottom. Now time for our rectangular cake. We split that in half and start breaking it up. Crumbling it into cake crumbs. And then spooning on some yellow buttercream icing to stick it all together, forming a dome. Now that little dome we're going to cover in buttercream. Chill it. Cover it again, just like we did with the other cakes. And that's going to go on top of our cake. Now we get 100 grams of white candy melts and melt them with some double cream. Purple food dye gets added to that. And we're just going to spoon that on top of our finished cake. Let it drip down the sides. It's going to drip off that dome there. And for a finishing touch, you can get an ice cream cone. Use some edible glue and some edible glitter to sparkle it up. And there you have it. Sparkly unicorn drip cake. Dripalicious.